To fair to pay fines and costs as ordered and fair to provide proof of completing 24 hours of community service by October 1. I told her on October 1.
This is one of those courtroom moments where excuses collide head-on with accountability. A defendant already given multiple chances now stands before a judge who is clearly done playing games. Missed payments, incomplete community service, pregnancy claims, and a growing list of warrants, all coming to a boiling point on the record. What starts as a routine compliance hearing quickly turns into a hard lesson about court authority, personal responsibility, and what happens when deadlines are ignored. Watch closely because every answer and every contradiction matters in this courtroom.
That I was going to set it over for sentence, or on November the 21st, adjourned it to December 19th. I got a call from my judicial clerk saying that she was sick or her child was sick or something along those lines. I adjourned it over to today. Is there anything you'd like to say? Tell me, give me proof that she's done her community service.
Your Honor, she does not have proof at this time.
Why not?
Judge, currently
she didn't do it.
Yes, Judge. I note that she is currently on bed rest. She's 6 months pregnant. When I discussed the outstanding balance, she's respectfully requesting consideration for a payment plan. She can make a $100 payment this Friday, and then she'd be asking to make.
Why would I give her a payment plan when I know I told her on August the 8th to pay $50 a week and to come and talk to me if she didn't have the money? Why would I now be sympathetic over somebody saying they're 6 months pregnant when I ordered this in July? She knew when she got pregnant. I gave her till October 1. That would have been 3 months earlier. There's no reason she couldn't have done a sedentary job in either July, August, September, October. And she told us, I think she did community service, but she's not going to do community service because she doesn't think she needs to do community service. Did she do her court work program?
Yes, Your Honor, and she was doing court work program all the way up into September, so I'm not sure when this bed rest claim has come in.
She was doing what?
She was doing court work program all the way through the middle of September, so I'm not sure where the bed rest comes in.
She's just, listen, sometimes I don't feel like calling them. It's the day before Christmas. She's not kidding me. I mean, this is nonsense. Did you go to the doctor about the COVID the other day?
I didn't have COVID. My daughter had the flu and had
Your daughter had the flu.
And I have proof of that, yes.
Well, let me see it. Did you go to a doctor?
Did I go to
Did she go to a doctor?
Yes, she was in a hospital.
Okay, I don't need the proof. What do you want? What else is she doing? Is she doing our outpatient?
Yes, Your Honor, to her credit, she is compliant with her outpatient treatment. Really, at this point, she owes the victim's impact panel, and she still has not cleared several of those warrants that she has outstanding.
You haven't gone over and done that either, huh?
She indicated that she took care of her warrants out of Wayne and Westland.
Let's see here. I don't have that handy. Where else does she have warrants out of?
I ran her record December 17th. She still had warrants out of Wayne, Westland, Romulus, Taylor, Westland, Romulus, and that is all, Your Honor. So she still had warrants out of those jurisdictions as of the December 17th date.
Let's go over to Taylor.
I never knew I had a warrant for Taylor.
Did you go over to Romulus?
I never even got pulled over by him.
Did you go over to Romulus?
No.
She's not lying to you. I mean, they're on there.
That's fine, but I don't know nothing about any of that. Taylor or Romulus, I've been
Because you got in a
aware.
bad habit of thinking you're larger than courts. That's what happened.
That's not what it is.
Okay, how many total warrants did she have on there?
Your Honor, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 total warrants, Your Honor.
Let's not act like you can't wait to go to court when you get a ticket, okay? Let's please save it. I don't want to hear it.
If I knew, I would say that. I'm a grown woman.
Well, they're not lying.
People
don't put warrants in the liens, ma'am, unless you have a warrant in the jurisdiction.
Okay.
Okay. When is your due date?
In May.
May?
Yes.
I thought you just said she was 6 months pregnant.
I'll be 6 months next week.
Well, that would make it March, wouldn't it, or not, or
No,
early
it's
April?
May.
So you're not 6 months pregnant.
I'm 5 months pregnant.
11 months if you said May.
No, okay. Whatever.
Are you working? How are you supporting
No,
yourself?
I'm not. I'm waiting on cash assistance.
Is the father helping you out of the child?
No,
Are you having complications with your pregnancy?
that's what we're trying to see. I have to go back.
Here's what I'm doing. Here's what I'm doing. You don't, no doctors told you that yet, right?
No, doctors told me what?
That you're having complications that are going to stop you from doing things, physical things.
Well,
Community service is very sedentary work. We can find sedentary work.
yeah, they tell me the Victory Gym.
Okay. Well, you're going to do 2 extra days of community service, and it's all going to be completed by February the 7th. I don't like you not paying your fines. You told me you were going to pay weekly $50 in August. You didn't. You haven't.
I didn't tell you guys that. You guys made that up yourself. I never said that I was paying 50 weekly.
What does the pre-sentence report indicate her income was, Ms. Wilds, back when I sentenced? You have that in front of you. I don't need to see it.
Yep, she indicated that she was currently employed, that she was actually in training at Rocket Mortgage to obtain her state licensing, and she was also collecting $300 per month in bridge card food stamps.
For Diamond G, for me, I've never attended Rocket Mortgage, and a food stamp card, I get $535, not $300. That's not me.
Did I tell you to come and talk to me if you didn't have the money?
Yes, and
Why didn't you do that? No. I would have told you that at the time of the sentence. Why didn't you do that? You paid nothing in 5 months, and now you're coming in and asking for time to pay, and I just don't appreciate it. I'm going to be reasonable with you under these circumstances, but I don't think you're really getting the fact that you need to comply with court orders. We don't acquire 9 warrants unless we think that we're bigger than courts.
And can I have that as well?
Ma'am, I'm not done talking yet. So let's quit acting like we're oppressed and start to understand that we have to show up and pay for our sins. And that's what we do. Now, how much did you say you can pay?
She can make a $100 payment this upcoming Friday.
But then how much could she pay?
100 per month with the minimum on or about.
You pay $100 by December the 27th. And the 27th of every month thereafter. With all money due by, because I have to have it done before the end of probation, by August the 15th of 25. You don't have the money, all you have to do is call the court. We'll go on Zoom. I'll be happy to work with you, but you cannot ignore courts like this, man. Okay, so you have to do all your community service by that date that I gave you. So you already owed us 24 hours. Now you owe us 40 hours, and that has to be done by February the 7th. If you get a note from a doctor saying it's an impossible task for you to do that, based on the type of work that you can do that's sedentary, I'll be glad to give you an extension. Okay? I wish you well. Stop being so angry. Go take care of the courts. Go surrender yourself on the warrants.
Can I have a printout of that? Just like
I can't give you a printout of the lien. We can tell you where, but they're all in Westland, Wayne, Romulus, and Taylor, right, Beth?
That's correct. That's correct.
I just want to make sure it's actually me. Because
Well, they
you
wouldn't
said
put
a job that
they wouldn't put those on there if they weren't you, ma'am.
a job in the
Thank you, Judge.
I never even said.
All right, you can go tell the judge that. All right, Harley, name?
Carol Polly.
Ms. Chenoweth, your name?
Jessica Chenoweth. I'm here represented by my advocate, Lila Dawn Bidwell. Also, sir,
Say that again.
Jessica Chenoweth.
And who's your advocate?
Lila Dawn Bidwell. She's my power of attorney, advocate, cousin, caregiver, all the above.
I just really can't have you do that, ma'am. Just tell me your name.
Jessica Chenoweth.
No. Not you, the other lady.
Right here.
Hello, Lila Dawn Bidwell.
State your name where I can hear it and understand it.
I'm sorry, Lila Dawn Bidwell.
I can't let you represent her with a power of attorney. I can't let you do that.
Well, I'm here.
Hang on.
I'm not representing you.
What is going on here? Why don't you have to leave the property? Sir, you cannot talk from back there. Why don't you have to leave the property? I'm talking to you.
To be honest, Your Honor,
Well, I want you to
don't.
be honest, so you don't have to preface with
All right,
that.
well, I don't have to leave the property because she is not the landlord here. She does not own the home.
Who owns the home?
Who owns the home would be my great-great-grandparents. Actually, I sent you, I gave you copies of this, of my, my grandma
Are your
Grace and my
great-great-grandparents?
grandfather, yes.
Are they alive or dead?
No, they're passed away. And as of right now, nobody owns the house. My Uncle Terry is the one that paid taxes for 3 years.
Slow down.
Okay.
So,
How do you own the property, Miss Chenoweth?
She don't.
excuse me, sir. I do not outright. It's in probate. I am the heir inherent. My mother took care of my great grandmother.
Who's helping
My
you
mother-
probate the estate?
Brownstown. I'm
What?
concurring with Allen Hunt legal firm.
Slow down. Mr. Hunt is helping you probate the estate. He's the probate attorney, right?
Yes, sir.
Does he know that you're doing this when you don't have proof that you're the owner, that you have not been awarded the property yet?
Yes, sir. He has all my past checks, my bank statements stating that I have been paying the bills here for a while now.
Ma'am.
Yes.
Why don't you ask him to show up here and enter an appearance for you?
Sir, can I state something, please?
No. I mean, I'll let you talk. I don't want to stop you from talking. You just got done answering your own question. You said you're not the owner of the property right now.
No,
So
I
that's
am the
enough for
proprietor
me.
paying the
You-
bills.
Ma'am,
Yes.
the owner of the property can evict, not anybody else. Are you
Well,
going to
they're
be the
all
owner of the
deceased,
property?
sir.
Hang on. I don't know why people try to do these things on their own. You really don't. Why are you trying to handle this? Ma'am, you're looking at the ceiling. Look at me, please.
Yes,
Why
sir.
are you trying to do this on your own when you're not a lawyer? Hang on. Why are you handling a messy situation like this when you don't have a clue? I mean, seriously, why don't you get the lawyer involved in this and he can come in here and he can tell me why you have the authority to have this lady evicted?
May I?
Is she going to get the property?
No, she's
No.
not, Your Honor. And she's an
Yes, I am.
alcoholic, and
All
Lila Dawn
right,
Bidwell
let's not
is a
cast
cokehead.
aspersions. I didn't ask you to be a character witness here.
Okay. But
Did you hear what I said?
yes, Your Honor. She's not the owner of the property and not gonna become the owner of the property.
Who is?
I would be my great dead grandparents.
Well, they're not going to be
My
owning the
mother.
property if they're deceased, ma'am.
No, they're.
Somebody else is, right?
Me.
I mean, people don't continue to own the property when they're in the ground.
Right.
Come on.
Is
Why
she-
don't you tell Mr. Hunt to show up? I'm adjourning this to January 6th at 1:15.
Your Honor, may I speak now?
Not yet. Ma'am, there is virtually nothing you can say to me that is going to cause me to enter a judgment today. You need a
There is
lawyer.
a history of
You
violence.
need a lawyer
sir.
that knows what they're doing, okay? Get a lawyer in here. Your probate lawyer can show up. He can appear by Zoom. He can tell me why you own the property or where it is in the probate process. I'm not awarding you a judgment today. You come back here January 6th again. Ma'am.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
You come back here January 6th. Are you in there now?
I've
Yes, sir,
lived
I am.
there. That's my
Ethan,
childhood home.
Stop. Why are you two interrupting one another? What's so funny? Let me in on it. I need a laugh.
Because I'm
What are you
60
laughing
years
about?
old. She's already cracked my skull and put 7 staples in it. I'm in fear of my life. I live on life alert. I'm an amputee, and I have to deal with this, sir. I've had the
Does she have
police
a
called
case?
more
Does
in
she
the
have a
last
case?
2
Hang on.
months.
Hang on. Look her up. Look up Carol Pauly. Do you have a case pending?
No, I do not, Your Honor.
Have you ever been
Not
charged
here in
with
New York,
anything?
No, Your Honor, she's full of lies. She's falsely stating that I would hurt her. The only thing I've ever done was
I
try
got
to give her
medical
Thanksgiving dinner. I have a recording that I tried to give her
I need to see
Thanksgiving
her
dinner, and what
Jennifer.
she did was called me the BITCH,
All
called
right.
me
Okay.
a
All
lot.
right. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
I don't see any case in our system against Ms. Pauly.
No, everything's
Because I
been
did not
dismissed,
do
sir.
it. It's a false allegation.
Stop. You guys are both talking. I cannot possibly hear both of you, and I can promise you my recorder can't pick up both of you. Listen, here's what I'm doing. I'm not going to argue about it. January 6th, 1:15. You come back here. Don't fight. If you're living together, I don't know what to tell you, but this is a mess. Get your lawyer involved, ma'am. We'll see you here then. Good luck. Thank you.
Can I?
Yeah,
say
good
No.
luck.
something?
Thank you.
There's nothing to say.
I do have a letter.
There's nothing to say. Keep the letter with you. Bring it back January 6th, okay?
I'll get a copy. Can I do a copy of it for you?
You can get a copy put in the file if you want.
Yes. Your Honor.
Okay? I'm not going to look at it until January 6th.
Okay. Thank
So you
you.
can just bring me back a copy on January 6th. How's that?
If I'm
Did
dead
you call
before
back?
January 6th, will she stand accountable?
January 6th at 1:15. That's my next landlord-tenant docket. Wait a minute. We're going to jury trial and a false information to a police. Mr. Baldwin, I need you to zoom in, please. What's going on? I need you to zoom in. Can you state your name?
Attorney Mike Baldwin, P65417, on behalf of Ms. Cosby.
Were you working on another case or what?
Yeah, I have 2 things going here, but I'm also with Mr. Shrum here as well. So I actually have 3 or 4 things going.
All right, listen. Are we serious? We're going to a jury trial and a false information to a police officer.
My client takes a position that that she reasonably believed that there was a firearm in that vehicle, and I can't refute that. And I offered her a bench trial, Judge.
Good
but,
enough. Good enough. Good enough. Good enough.
But I do have my calendar.
I thought it was just a regular. I didn't know. I shouldn't have assumed that. Usually they gave the wrong name. That's fine.
Yes.
Ms. Foley
and-
Carter, I need in here. Ms. Foley
Yes.
Carter, can you come in, please? We're going to set a jury. I get it. Your name? Jury trial will be scheduled right now.
I have my calendar, Judge.
May 9th at 8:30.
All right. Well, we're just starting this case, really, right? Well, no, February 27th. Ms. Cosby, you got to be here in person. You understand that.
Yes, I understand that, Your Honor, but am I allowed to put anything on the record right now
About what?
about
What do you want to put on the record?
my life? I'm in fear for my life from Justice.
Your Honor, I've advised her to seek out a PPO, but it was
for my
rejected.
life.
Hang on. Hang on.
Your Honor, may I say something, please?
No,
Since
no,
my
I don't even know who you
court
are. Hang on. I said, wait. The judge is talking right now. That means you don't interrupt the judge. Do you understand what I'm saying? I don't even know what this is about.
I don't need.
Hang on. Don't say a word. What's your name? Sir?
I'm Justin Coleman, the victim, Your Honor.
I know, but what's your name? Justin Cole?
Justin, yep.
What in the world is going on here? I thought this was false information to a police officer. Miss, can you enlighten me? I don't know.
It is, Your Honor. Ms. Cosby and Mr. Cole were both at the police department. Ms. Cosby called the police and told them that Mr. Cole pulled a weapon on her outside in the police department parking lot. They reviewed footage. There was no firearm. They searched Mr. Cole's vehicle. There was no firearm.
Okay. All right. Well, you don't need to put anything on the record. If you want to get a PPO, you get a PPO.
Well,
I'm not going to hang on. Well, I wasn't done talking yet. I'm not going to engage in this colloquy here. I've got one charge in front of me, false information to an officer. If you think you're in fear and he's stalking you or doing anything else or aggravating you to the extent that you'd be entitled to a PPO, go get a PPO. Mr. Baldwin already said, hang on, I wasn't done talking yet. When I stop talking, I'll tell you. How's that?
Sorry, Your Honor.
Now, I'm setting it for a jury and I'm setting it for a final pretrial, and that's it. And you have to be here for the trial. Where's Johannesburg again?
By Gaylord. And what's the date, Your Honor? Because I have other court dates with my father through probate.
We're going to give you a date right now. We're going to give you a date right now. All right? Wait a minute. Guys, I'm not going to, you guys are not going to get along with me if you're going to interrupt one another and engage in this, I'm telling you. I'm telling you right now. We're setting a jury. She wants a jury. She's entitled to a jury. And that's what I'm going to give her. I just thought it was a simple misuse of a name or something, or giving the false information as to a name. This is a little different, but I don't want to hear any of this.
May I ask you something, Your Honor?
Sure. I've got a no contact provision, I think.
Yes,
don't I? Maybe I don't.
That's what
One place, Your Honor.
That's what I was hoping, Your Honor, that you would give me a no contact with her, because she keeps calling. I mean, I don't want no more calls, false calls, please.
Yeah, I didn't realize what this was about. It was rain. There's no, Ms. Foley Carter, you know what I've been trying to do for like 30 years, 28 years? What do you think I've been trying to do on these?
What's that, Your Honor?
I've been asking them to put information on a ticket. I've quit. Hang on. I've quit asking. It falls on deaf ears. I've asked police departments through chiefs no less than 25 times to put simple, basic information on a citation so I can have some idea as to what I'm talking about when I'm doing a bond. False information to a police officer. That's what he wrote. Just a simple, maybe you can help me with this too, Mr. Foley. Just a simple, just a simple, whatever it is, gave false name of Jane Doe, went into Myers, stole $1,000 worth of property, punched and slapped the victim. I mean, I don't know what else to tell you, but I got to chase these guys around. I'm looking at a citation. I'm not reading police reports when I'm doing these. And
if I may, there is a misdemeanor complaint in the file.
I see it now, but I'm getting like 50 cases a day. I mean, I see that.
Your Honor, we can take it up with the department once again.
I know, but listen, it's not just Brownstown.
I like this job.
What happens is guys retire and they don't tell anybody, and the new guys don't tell anybody, and the new guys, and I got to keep doing it. It's just getting aggravating, but nonetheless, I'm going to order, give me a bond sheet, please. Ma'am, you're going to have to go get printed if this is the kind of case it is. I'm sorry. So I'm going to have you come here next time. You're going to have to come here next time to get printed by Brownstown. And I'm going to order no contact with the victim, Justin Cole. No contact with Justin. No contact with Justin Cole. No contact with prosecution witnesses. And you cannot... You have to go over to the Brownstown Police Department to get fingerprinted and photographed on your next court date. When are we going to have the next court date? Can we have it on the 23rd?
April 23rd at 11.
So I'm going to say you have to be there by 2 o'clock on April 23rd, okay? And then we're going to set a jury trial date. I'm not adjourning any of these dates again. Mr. Baldwin, what do you have? And Ms. Foley Carter, are you guys good on just give me a date in May, a Friday in May when you can do this.
I'm available on
Except
the
the
9th.
second. You available on the 9th? May 9th at 8:30 will be your jury trial date. All of this will be in person.
Your Honor, I have a probate court date on my father that day.
She does not, Your Honor. I have power of attorney my father. She does not. That's a lie. Sorry.
If I find somebody starts lying to me,
Your Honor, I'm not lying to you.
There's no probate.
send me
date.
the notice.
It's not on the 9th, it's on the 10th.
Stop.
It's on April 10th.
Wow.
Stop. Do you have a court date, May 9th?
It's May 9th, yes.
Where? What court?
April 10th, emergency hearing at probate court, and then
That is false.
Don't say anything, Mr. Cole.
Sorry, Your
I'm
Honor.
sorry, Your Honor, it's May 6th. I'm sorry, it is.
Good.
I just
Then
got
you
the
don't have
court date.
anything May 9th.
No, May 9th is good.
No adjournments of any of these. So if you get another court date, you tell them the mean judge in Woodhaven won't adjourn it. April
What time,
9th
Judge?
at 11. I'm sorry, May 9th at 8:30. Final pretrial will be April the 23rd. And I'll make that later out for you so you don't have to show up so late.
This is where things escalate fast. Multiple outstanding warrants across different jurisdictions completely change how a judge views the situation. Warrants don't appear by accident. They require missed court dates or ignored obligations. The judge's frustration here isn't emotional. It's procedural. Courts rely on compliance to function. When someone accumulates 9 warrants while claiming confusion or ignorance, that signals a breakdown in accountability. This is also why the judge shuts down arguments quickly, because at this point, the record speaks louder than explanations. Be honest. Do you think the court has already been more patient than most?
You tell me 11, Lisa?
Yes, 11 o'clock.
And you have to be over, so no contact with the victim. You have to go over to get photographed and printed by Brownstown by 2 p.m. on April 23. No contact with prosecution witnesses. And I am ready to go. That's it. Have a nice day. Good luck. I hope you guys will continue to talk. If not, we'll see everybody on April 23rd and May the 9th.
By the end of this hearing, the message is unmistakably clear. The court balanced firmness with opportunity, setting structured payment plans, expanding community service with clear deadlines, ordering compliance on warrants, and laying out exact consequences if those orders aren't followed. The judge didn't punish emotion. He enforced responsibility. Beyond this individual case, the broader lesson is simple. Courts can work with you, but they cannot chase you. Deadlines matter. Communication matters. And ignoring court orders only makes things worse. If you found this case as intense and revealing as we did, hit that like button, share your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more sharp, no-nonsense courtroom breakdowns you won't see anywhere else.